Hi everyone, it's Sarah-Jayne. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an exciting video. This is Crochet Society box 5 designer reveal. I can't believe we're on box 5 already, but it's super exciting. I actually did a Facebook live unboxing for box 4 a couple of days ago, and I didn't have box 5 in my hands to show you, so I'm going to show you box 5 today and also talk to you a little bit about the designers in this box. I'm not going to reveal anything because remember, this is all a secret, but I would love it if you go across and say hello to them. I will leave all of their links in the description box below so that you can go and check out their Instagram profiles. So yeah, who would like to see box 5? Okay, are you ready? I'm going to try and get it so that you can see it best in the light. How gorgeous is this box? As always, there is a theme to the box, but I'm not going to reveal what the theme is, so if you have any sneaky suspicions, leave me a comment in the comments section down below, and let me know what you think that the theme could be this month. But let me go ahead and tell you who the designers are for Crochet Society box 5. Okay, so first up is the lovely Amanda Beachy from Belle and Grace HMC. I will leave her Instagram here. It's just such a gorgeous Instagram. There are so many projects on there that are just totally adorable. Go and check her out, go and say hello, go and give her a follow, and see if you maybe can guess what her project is for this box. You might be surprised. Next up is Cassie Ward from The Missing Yarn. Again, go and check out her Instagram profile. She has some gorgeous makes. She is a designer, she is a mum of twins, and she still finds the time to get things done. So yeah, go and check out her Instagram profile. I am super pleased to have her on board for box 5. And then finally we have Emma Varnum, who is Emma Varnum UK on Instagram. She has got a gorgeous Instagram page. She is a crochet and knitting designer, so make sure that you go across and have a look at some of her makes. Again, leave me a comment on my Instagram at Coco Crochet and also Crochet Society to let us know what kind of projects you think are going to be in box number 5. Subscriptions for box 5 are open until the 20th of October, so make sure that you subscribe before then to guarantee that you're going to get a box. I've had so many people messaging me asking me if they can get past boxes because they didn't subscribe in time or they were holding out and they're disappointed that they can't actually get their hands on one. So if you want to avoid disappointment, make sure that you go and subscribe now. There are plenty of subscription options available, whether you just want to sign up month by month and you can cancel at any time, or if you want to make a little bit of a saving price wise and buy maybe 3 months, 6 months or a year's subscription, the options are available for you there. And don't forget, all of the costs on the website that you see are including postage and packaging, so there's no hidden costs there whatsoever. I will leave a link in the description box below so that you can go ahead and pop across to the website, or you can tap in www.crochetsociety.co.uk into your web browser and it will take you straight to the website. So I hope you're as excited for box 5 as I am. It is completely beautiful. I think you're going to love it. This journey just keeps getting better and better and everyone is raving about the boxes. So yeah, make sure that you go and check it out. If you haven't seen any of the boxes, then I do unboxings. You can either check out my Facebook or my YouTube for past unboxings to see what kind of things that you can expect. But as a whole, it is a complete surprise when it lands on your doorstep. So like I say, I will leave all the links in the description box below for you so that you can go and check it out. I hope that you have enjoyed this little quick update. Thank you so much for watching and I shall see you again next time. Bye!